Hey guys, welcome back to Almost Mechanic YouTube channel. In case you're new, my name is Liam, and today's video is the final decision for the engine in the 77. This is the 77 Dodge D200 I bought a couple of years ago, and it's still not running yet. So the plan for the summer is to get it running. I have obviously the 78 truck I bought last summer to kind of bounce off of ideas and stuff, but I have officially decided that we are not going to use the original motor from this truck. I have it, I'm going to keep it, but I'm going to not put it into the truck. I'm aiming for reliability for this build. We're going to put a 5.7 Gen 3 Hemi in here. I'm not exactly sure what transmission options I have with it. I've been doing plenty of research. I've been debating between a Trimec or 5-speed Trimec transmission, but that'd be a standard shift, so I'd have to cut a hole in the floorboard for that. So I'm not exactly sure if I want to do that yet. So I may stick with the automatic option for this truck, and then maybe some other time we'll do a vehicle with a manual shift, because this is a long truck. I mean, sure, yes, they made these big trucks with, or the club cabs with the long bed in a manual option, but I do believe it's only a 3-speed. So those were a little sketchy. But let me know in the comments what you think of my decision to put a 5.7 Hemi in. I'm not gonna do a crate motor because they're expensive. So I'm gonna try and see where I can find the salvage yards for an engine. If I can find something out of a Hellcat or something. I don't know what the options are out here in New York. Surely the junkyards have a bunch of stuff. But we're gonna change the cooling system to obviously adapt with the 5.7. The brakes are gonna be all redone. I'm gonna try and, the backs are drums currently. I'm gonna see see if we can find a kit to change it to disc, but if not, no biggie. But the brakes all need to be done. I still got to rerun brake lines after taking them out to do the frame. But there's obviously a lot of work to be done to this thing, but this summer is going to be the summer to do it. Because if it doesn't get done this summer, it'll never get done. And it needs to be done. Body work, I do not plan on doing anything to the body right now. I obviously have primer all over it because I was just trying to protect it from rust. Some of the rust is starting to show back through in a few spots, so I may just resand and then reprime it and then paint it with something else to cover it up for now. Behind the grill, I just have it resting there, but that's all painted. That's like it. I forgot what I put on there, but I'm gonna paint it black behind here, and then we get some black and call it a day for the core support. I gotta take that all apart so I can put an engine in here, but we'll put that back on for now. But all the old all the engine stuff that I had bought for the 400, I'm gonna save for the other truck, like the because I bought a fuel injection system for this, but that was with the 400 Mopar engine, but that's not going to go on here. I got a bunch of carburetors in here. I know you guys can't see them very well. Oh, there we go. Got a couple carburetors and a bunch of parts, and I got to go through again. But honestly, it's not going to be that hard to take and get running. The trim will all go on after it's running, obviously, but I'm not worried about that right now. Once it's running, it's running. That's the plan. I do have to do the suspension stuff because that's all original to the truck. I might have to do exhaust system. There's a lot to do, like I said, but anyways, it's gonna get a 5.7. That's the plan. We're gonna stick with it. And the 400 motor I'm just gonna finish rebuilding it like I'm supposed to be, or like I already was supposed to do that and save that for a backup with the other truck. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Feel free to ask any questions. I know there's a lot of questions that I haven't answered in this video. And I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and until next time.